I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today this exclusive Fat Quarter Shop pattern will have you seeing stars. You can purchase the low-price layer cake scattered stars quilt pattern at Fat Quarter Shop. A link to the pattern is in the description box. To make this quilt, you need 1 layer cake, 7/8 yards of a background, 7/8 yard of an accent and a binding, and 3 yards backing. Today we're featuring the Kindness Collection by Deb Strain and Thatched Basics by Robin Pickens. These are both Moda fabric collections. After you have your pattern and fabric, let's make the quilt. Now we're going to start by making the small star unit. I'm going to take my fabric G square. On the wrong side, draw a line from corner to corner with a friction pin. Take a fabric B rectangle and place your square just like this. Now what I like to do here is make sure my fabrics are lined up perfectly on all 3 sides, and then I like to pick this up, use seam align glue, and put 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. That's probably a little bit too much glue. But then what I like to do is let that sit for a little bit so it completely dries. Then I will stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and press. And this is your small star unit. You will be making 24 of these. Now we're going to use that same technique to make the large star units. You're going to use a fabric G square. You want to line this up where your line is going this direction. Glue it down, stitch on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and you will make 4 large star units. And it's really as simple as that. That's all the piecing you have to do before we get to assembling the block. Now we're going to make our scattered stars block. First, I would lay out your squares and your rectangles on the outside. Then I would lay out your fabric C square, and then your small star units and your large star units. This is where it's really important to pay attention to make sure all of these triangles are going the right direction. From here, I would sew all of these into rows first, and then I would press. Once that's done, I would sew them into columns like this. You're going to make a total of 12 scattered star blocks. They're going to measure 14.5 inches unfinished, and that is just as simple as this quilt is. Now you're going to lay out your 12 blocks 3 by 4, but you really want to pay attention to the layout because each row is a different orientation, and really what you want to do when you lay it out is just look at your star placement. That's all you really need to do. This quilt is 42 by 56, so it's a great size for the couch or a baby gift. This has a nice mint thatched for the binding, and of course a beautiful low volume floral for the backing. The layer cake scattered star is a beautiful new pattern, and depending on what fabric you use, you can get a totally different look because it's a very simple design. So you could do a blue and white quilt, you could do a retro quilt, a contemporary quilt, floral quilt. You could make it anything you want it to be. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.